I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. Recently, I've seen a lot of people online commenting that they need something new to make with that pound of ground beef. I recently found a recipe that's an answer to that question. This is a balsamic glazed meatball that can be served as an appetizer or thrown together with some sides to make an incredible weeknight dinner. It's super fast, easy, and delicious, so let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to place 1/4 cup Panko breadcrumbs into a medium-sized bowl. Remember our Orrington Farms broth base and seasoning? I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the beef flavored. If you don't have that, you can use beef stock concentrate. Next, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of water, and we'll just mix that up. So I've just got a little panko paste here. We need a pound of good quality ground beef. This is Kentucky Cattleman's. I'm going to add the equivalent of about a clove of garlic and about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Salt and pepper make an appearance. I've removed my rings, gave my hands a thorough wash, and now we're ready to make some meatballs. Everything in this bowl needs to be mixed up. We're going to form this into some medium-sized meatballs. I ended up with 22 meatballs on my nonstick baking sheet. I'll put 2 tablespoons of this balsamic vinegar in a small bowl. I went a little heavy on those tablespoons because I love this stuff. Next, we need about 2 tablespoons ketchup. I think I went a little heavy on that too. And about a teaspoon brown sugar. I'll stir this mixture up. And we have our beautiful balsamic glaze. We'll use a little brush and coat each one of these meatballs with the glaze. Don't be shy with this glaze. You want to cover up as much of the meatball as you can, and you want to get a nice thick coating of this on each one. I don't want to waste any of this nectar of the gods. Now I'll place these into our preheated oven. Now would be the perfect time to go tap that like button for me, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes later, this is what you've got. These meatballs look and smell incredible. We'll let them cool down for just a minute and then we'll do a taste test. This is when you're going to be really glad you didn't skimp on the glaze. So much flavor and so delicious. All I need now is some mashed potatoes and some green beans. These meatballs are the perfect answer to that age-old question, What's something new I can make with this pound of ground beef? These meatballs are so delicious and flavorful, they make a fantastic main course. Just serve them with whatever you would serve meatloaf, mashed potatoes, green beans, whatever you like. Also, they make a really incredible appetizer if you just want to stick a fancy little toothpick in. Spring is just around the corner. I truly hope you have a really great week ahead. I'll see you real soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.